Stories, a new technology for old stories. Full video tutorial on how to use the Stories Pro service. To access Stories Pro, click on My Account and log in. Now let's go through our user interface. My Orders. This link will take you to all your orders you've ever created, and this is where you can manage them. Next, Create New. This is where you create new AR photos. Next, Profile. This is where you get a little information about you. Here you can also change your password. Help. Here you can submit a support ticket in case something is not working properly. If something is broken or is not working, report to help and we will be happy to help you. Let's move on to creating an AR photo. To do this, we need to click Create New. Then the system prompts us to name our media files. You can name them whatever you want. You would be able to find files you have uploaded by this name. After that, you should upload our pictures. But before you do so, we recommend to check the tutorial on how to upload your files to the system correctly. There is one rule. Before uploading media files, you need to number them so the system understands which photo or video you need to attach. To do this, we need to prepare our media files. To do this, go to the files you want to upload. Let's say we want to upload several animated AR photos in one QR code. I remind you that you can do an unlimited number of photos in one QR code. To prepare the media files, they need to be numbered so that our system understands. When you point to a given photo, we want the given video to play. You do the same with absolutely all the photos. We have that photo that we will be pointing at, and we have that video that will play when a person is pointing at that photo. To do this, we need to rename our objects. Let's say we name this photo number 1, and we'll name this video video number 1. We have created a couple photo and video. Now, when we point to this photo, this video will play. You do the same with absolutely all media files. So let's say we want to attach this video to this photo, and so on. If you have a large number of photos, you have to rename each photo. Now upload them. To do this, press Select, and select the media files that we want to upload. In our example, I will be uploading one pair of a photo and a video. The download speed at this stage depends on the speed of your internet connection. After that, go down to the bottom and click the Continue button. At this point, we can see how many media files have been uploaded to the system, and if there are any errors, they will be displayed here in the same way. Click Continue. At this stage, we have a QR code generated, which we can scan in the Stories Album iOS Android app and check how our photos are coming to life. Our recommendation is not to pay for the media files instantly, because you won't be able to test them. What does it mean to test? You can scan this QR code in the Stories Album app and it will work. But as this is a test version of the photo, it will have our watermark on it. To get rid of the watermark, all you have to do is pay for our photo. But first, let's test our photo with the watermark. To do that, go to Stories Album app and scan the QR code the system has given us. After this, the download of the media files will start. We have to wait a bit. After the download is finished, we can test our media file. To do this, open our photo from the computer. Now we point our phone at it. As we can see, the photo is working successfully. Everything works, but there is a watermark where it says Test Photo. Let's also test it on a real object. To do this, let's take the actual object itself. We see that everything works, but a watermark is there. To remove the watermark, we just need to pay for this photo. You need to press the Pay button. We see that our photo is successfully paid, and here we can download our QR code. We go back to the app. After testing the photo, we need to clear the cache in the app. How do we do that? We go to Settings, click Clear Cache. Here you can choose to either clean the cache for all time, or clean the cache of only the last album. Let me clean up the cache for the last album. Only you, as the creators of the AR photos, need to clean the cache. For end users, there is no need to clean the cache, because they will scan the QR code with already paid photo. To check the paid photo, we can download our QR code, and this code will also be sent to your email. After that, we go back to the Stories Album app and scan our QR code again. Exactly the same. We have to wait a little bit for the files to be downloaded. After that, go back and open our photo again. And now point our app at the photo. We see that our photo also works fine, and this time without the watermark. Now let's check the same way on a physical object. We see that everything works fine for us, and without the watermark. Congratulations! We've created the first AR photo. Now let's take a closer look at the toolbar. What do we have here? First, we can see our QR code number. You'll need it if you are going to contact customer support. Next is the names of the media files that you've named. Next is the date of creation of the media files, the number of photos in this QR code. Next is the links function. You'll learn about the links function in a special video. The link will be in the description. With this button, you can edit all the media files that are loaded in this QR code. You can also remove this QR code permanently or disable it temporarily. If you click the Turn Off button, your QR code will turn off. By turning it back on, you and your client will be able to scan this QR code. This button allows you to download your QR code to your computer. Again, QR codes will be sent to your email as well. You can also see the QR codes you have created but have not paid for in your dashboard. Again, you have 30 days to test your files. If you don't pay for them within 30 days, we will automatically disable them. If you want to keep your media files, you need to click on the Pay button and pay for these photos. Congratulations! In this video, we've worked out in detail how to create photos that come to life. If you still have any questions, please ask us by email or via any social media.